Hey guys, Rotharola here, back again with another CSGO video. It has been a while since my last video, including CSGO gameplay, because I've been playing some competitive matches and haven't been recording. I just hit Gold Nova 2, so I can finally play with Bear. But for today, we're not going to record any competitive at all. We're going to do some noob stuff with my two friends, Devin.
D-Larks.
And Abraham.
Rampage.
Who both suck complete dick at this game. I don't think they've ever played really shooters on the PC, so if you're looking for a funny episode, this is it to watch. I'll see you guys in the first game.
No, I got it. Alright, here we go, here we go. You know it's your boy Abe. You know who I'm gonna be. I'm all about them Terrys. Straight up. Alright, here we go. Just waiting, spectating now. I gotta apologize. I'm a bit sick. But should be good.
Sick out of your shit.
You know your boy Rotharola is jealous and shit, but whatever. I don't know. I'm just spectating. I don't know why. I have no clue what happened. Oh, here we go. Here we go, boys. Keep your eyes open. Yeah.
Really, nigga?
And you know he down. Oh, shit. And your boy down. Man, that's what I call... Oh, look at this boy.
Black Hawk down.
Jiz Khalifa. You know he wanted it. I just couldn't give it to him. Whatever, man. Yeah. We'll get him next time. I promise that. Getting the shit. Oh, Hudson slaughter. You know I'm all about that slaughter. Slaughtering that pussy. Kill him. Fuck the police coming straight. Oh. There you go. And we won it. You know your boy. Always winning. Nobody's here. Oh.
Check that spray. Oh my god.
Damn. You know I can't take all three of them out. They was asking for it, but where you at? Where you at? Ah!
You gotta kill
Yes! Yes! Oh my god! Where do I plant it?
Dumbass! Dumbass!
At a bomb site? Where the hell's the bomb site at?
Oh, Jesus. Alright, what's up? It's your boy D-Larks playing on CT. And I'm trash.
Got him!
I haven't played this in forever. Here, I'll take over the bot. Oh, shit. Yeah. No, that wasn't. Bro. Ah, story of my life.
Always a headshot!
That's a bot. It's not terrible. I'm... Alright, or... Turns out I didn't have to do anything. I'm okay with that.
Straight from the underground. A young nigga got it back 'cause I'm brown.
I'll go T. just because I elite build. Is that factory new? Minimal? Yeah. Yeah, it looks factory. I've actually never played this map, by the way, so. No. Did they really leave bomb? Okay, no. Yeah. Can you climb up these? That spray. Did I just get another kill? Or no? I don't. No. Oh, PP Bison. This is not gonna. No, I can't go that way. Okay. They have nades too. Can I go up on this? Yeah, I can. Bombs over here, actually.
The Rocky Roller is back in town. Let's win this game for the. Are we on terrace? We're on terrace. Let's bring it back. Check this. Check this. Check it. Check it. Check it. Check it. Check it. Check that. Check that. One kill. One kill. Got it. We got it. Got this. Ready? Okay, we cried. Fucking Jizz Khalifa. Just came on our face. It's okay. Cookies and cream. We got this. What kind of party's a lemon party? Okay, my team just destroyed everybody. Here we go. We got this. Ready? This guy's gonna walk out. I'm gonna pop him. Tap that. Tap tap, dead. Tap tap. Tap tap, dead. See that shit? Fuck you, fuck your mother, fuck your grandmother, and fuck your butt buddy in the corner.
What, you frickin' doorknob?
One dig! Two dig!
Did it hit a teammate or something? I'm so confused.
That guy, you stole my kill. You stole it. That was mine. That was also mine. 99! 99! 99!
That's evil. I tried
This is why orphanages are burnt to the ground. Shit like this.
that you were finding them. So I turned it into it.
Juan down. Oh, that walk by. Oh my god, they were all waiting for us.
Oh, you hit it.
It's a trap!
Are you serious? That was OP. They did that so well. There were people everywhere.
Blue. Alright, boys. I got this 5-7.
This time you don't fall for the trap.
It's a trap! Give me that 5-7 fade, bro. Five, 7. Get fucked.
It's obviously a joke.
Wait, you guys are actually girls? Oh, that's funny.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I thought you were 10-year-olds for like the longest time.
Oh my god.
I'm a girl, but I roleplay as a 10-year-old.
Getting that diffuse in.
How about the top?
Defend me, grills! Defend me, grills! Good job. You guys did a terrible job of defending me. Come on! Come on, Philly and Sprinkle! Come on! Come on, guys. All right, I got the scout this time.
Billy is a
Just-
cheater, isn't she? Aim butt, wall hacks.
I can tell. Just be my body shields.
Serious? That's hilarious.
I'm gonna go no scope these fucks.
That's actually hilarious, considering I have no rank.
I'm Gold Nova 2. I'm the best. Sponsored by Fnatic.
There's one up top.
Getting that defuse, ladies.
Good shot.
You guys just lost to girls. How do you feel?
You think we're happy?
Hey, commit suicide. Commit suicide. Also, ladies, call me 613-824-1017.
Stop playing all over the fucking game.
Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Those ladies will hopefully hit me up later. I'll leave you updated on what happens. If I get the poos, I'll slay it in your name. We have been with Abe and Devin. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like, comment what you thought, and subscribe if you want to see more dumbass content in the future. Goodbye.